Yes, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So in the previous classes in Python, I discussed about Python calculator, but that calculator, we don't have percentages. So generally in the shops or somewhere, the GST will be and go this kind of what is called offers, huh? Some kind of discounts. GST or discount that should be in the percentage mode. Okay, GST could be 14%, 18%, or offer will be 25% discount, something like that. Okay. But morning, some previous program, what we did is I am just giving the numbers. This is the price, and this is the discount. This is the discount number. This is the offer number, something like that. So now we will do one calculator. This particular percentage calculator, what it is going to be doing is, first of all, you have to enter the percentage in the prompt box. Then you need to convert percentage into the value. So how to calculate percentage? You already know that. So on the principal value, you have to calculate the percentage, right? So based on the principal value, you need to calculate the percentage number. So that particular program I want to create now. So for that, what I want to do in the program is, okay, I'm just giving the number of inputs. The first input is price of the product, and the second input is GST percentage. Third input is offer percentage. And finally, I need to calculate the total value of the product. Okay, so the first box represent to what? Product price. The first box represented to product price. Second prompt represented to GST in percentage mode, GST percentage. Second box represent to GST percentage. Third box represented to uh, yeah, so something like what is this? Discount, huh? Discount percentage. Yes. If user is using this calculator, he is going to be trying to entering the different value by using this program. For example, I am the person, I am purchasing a mobile phone, and you are the person, you are purchasing a mobile phone, and my friend purchasing a another mobile phone. All these mobiles are different prices, but everybody using the same program, but they need a proper output. My mobile price is 78,000. Some other mobile is 64,000. Some other mobile is 55,000. And everybody have different kind of discounts, and everybody have a different kind of percentages, GST percentages. But finally, everybody can able to satisfy with the calculator. Program is calculator, but everybody have to satisfy with the calculator. So that kind of calculator program we will write down in Python now. So finally, the end of the day, what is the importance is calculate the total price. What is the final price? Final price. So end of the day, user need to check about the final price of the product. Am I clear, guys? So let me do one simple program on this Python. Python. Let me open lab collaboratory. I open collaboratory. Yes, my collaboratory is open and I'm connecting now. There is a button called reconnect. Okay, I'm just connecting now. Now I want to take a new cell, and this is Python percentage calculator. Percentage calc. Hmm. Tell me one by one, step by step. The first one is what? The first one is what? Product price. Okay, PRD underscore price. Variable. Whenever you are writing the variable, you have to remember rules and regulations. Don't obey the rules. Don't deny the rules. You have to obey the rules. Product price, input of. I already told you. So again and again, I'm not telling. So you have to convert the string data into the number. Typecasting is the mantra here. If you miss the typecast automatically, you will be getting the compile error. Okay, so that is the reason typecast is needed. I already told you, na? Input always take a string data, but string data arithmetic operators could not able to perform. That is the reason you have to go with the conversion, type conversion. Int of input of enter product price. You can give single quotes, you can give double quotes, you can give triple single quotes, you can give triple double quotes also. Okay, enter product price. That's it. Second one, product GST. GST. percentage, GST percentage, int of input of enter GST in percentage. Enter GST in percentage. How much percentage of GST you have to pay? And the third one, product uh, discount. Discount again underscore percentage. Again, this variable represent to percentages only. Okay. Again, int of input of properly understand the program. Int of input of enter discount. Enter discount in percentage. Enter discount in percentage. Finally, but I want to calculate the final price of the product. But if you want to calculate the final price of the product, first of all, you need to convert the GST percentage into GST value. So for that reason, what I want to do is, okay, product GST value I want to find out. This is very, 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 very important. This line is very, very important. How to calculate value from the percentage? Okay. Yeah, original price. What is the original price, guys? PRD underscore price. PRD underscore price into PRD GST percentage divided by 100. Okay. Original price into discounted percentage divided by 100. Automatically value will come. GST value will come. The same mantra you have to apply for the discounted percentage. Discounted value I want to find out now. Product discount value I want to find out. Product discount value I want to find out. How to find out this value again? Again PRD price. Again PRD price into discounted percentage. PRD underscore discount percentage divided by 100. Again. Now finally I want to calculate the final price of the product. Final price calculation. How to calculate the final price, guys? You already know this. PRD price. Okay, final value. I want to take a variable now. Final price of the product. Final price is equal to PRD price plus GST discount product GST value minus discount value. Super. This is the what actually I want. Finally, I want to print the final value of the product. Print of final value of the product is final value of the product is, then you can give final underscore price over. Can I execute the program now? Can I execute the program? Read the program one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines are there. Read the program properly. Yes, I am executing now. Execute. Click on the play button. Yes, immediately program executed. It is asking prompts now. One by one, all the prompt will come. The first prompt is what? Enter product price. Enter product price 56,000. The product price is 56,000. GST in percentage. GST in percentage. Let me give 12% GST on this. And discount in percentage. They are offering 20% discount on the product. And finally, he got the product with 51,520 rupees. Okay. After adding the GST, after making the discount minus, he is getting the product for 51,520 rupees. You have to pay it. You have to pay the bill over. Okay, this is actually my product I am purchasing, and my friend came into the picture. My friend want to purchase the another mobile. My friend mobile is different. My friend mobile is something like a product price 98,000. Super iPhone, I think. Next, he is having GST, iPhone having GST 18%. Super. Okay. But enter discount, they are giving only 5% discount or 6% discount or 4% discount. Just they are giving 4% discount. Finally, he has to pay 1 lakh 11,720 rupees. He has to pay 1,11,720 rupees. Why? Because of his phone is having more GST, less discount. Getting my point? So how many number of persons are coming into the shop? Everybody is using this calculator and everybody can able to understand what is the final price of their product. They have to pay the bill and they will go out. This is a Python. Very, very, very simple. Python is very, very simple. You have to do two mantras here. The first mantra is typecasting. Second mantra is value calculation, percentage calculation. We already know small, sixth class, fifth class. We know this kind of calculations, right? Mathematics. Yes. This is what actually, this is what actually percentage calculator. But in Java, people are actually writing this much lines, lengthy lines of the code. But in Python, very simple, straightforward, just like that. Okay, so by learning Python, you can do full stack applications, you can do quantum computing, you can do generative AI, you can do blockchain applications, you can do gaming applications, you can do data science, you can do different kind of bigger scale applications. I already told you Python is number one trending programming in the world. You search in Google top 10 programming languages. The one is Python only. The one is Python. Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing all the Python videos free in the YouTube channel. We have two playlists. One playlist for Python, one playlist is the JavaScript. All the Python videos we are giving free. All the JavaScript videos we are giving free. Every day, at least two videos will come, or two or three videos will come. English and Telugu both. You have to follow. You have to learn. You need to understand. And Mohan's Technologies is going to be having some emerging courses like 45 days courses, like quantum computing, blockchain, Web3.js, blockchain, Python, and SOC, cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, we will be having ethical hacking and IAM products like PingFederate, CyberArk, Okta, and Microsoft Entra ID. And we will be having AML KYC. We will be having full stack Python, full stack Marn, React with Node.js. Sir, Mohan's Technologies target is only one thing. Everybody has to get the jobs end of the day. Jobs are there for only emerging technologies. Jobs are there only for emerging technologies. In the competition, you have to hit the job. In the competition, whenever you want to hit the job, just just took the emerging technology. Don't go for the old technologies. Still, people are going for C, C++, testing, Java, and some other will go .NET, some people will go PHP. Still, people are actually not changing their mindset. So, generations are changing. 10, 13 years, 14 years back, there is no smartphone, there is no internet. Now, we people are actually using the smart watches, smartphones, and smart specs also. Smart shirts also. Now, I see one shirt is there, a smart shirt. That is also having internet connection. Trend is changing, sir. Trend is changing. Only go for emerging technologies. Jobs also available only for the emerging technologies. N number of jobs, more number of jobs available only for the emerging technologies in the competition. Okay, don't listen for the people's word. People are actually talking like jobs are not there, industry is not good, kind of things. Okay, those things are nonsense. Nonsense. You have to move on. Just choose the Mohan's Technologies. Mohan's Technologies is providing a lot of emerging technologies. And like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will be getting the notify when we upload the new video. Getting my point? Getting my point? Don't waste your money. You are paying lakhs of rupees for the emerging technologies. My friend already paid for blockchain 3 lakhs. To learn blockchain 1 year, 3 lakhs. I got shocked. Now he got realized and he is asking me, Mama, when you start the batch, I want to join with you. Huh? This kind of this kind of frauds are going to be happening, sir. In education system, all the systems frauds are there, but in the education system now frauds are heavy, high level. We don't fall in the fraud. We don't fall in the fraud markets. Okay, believe me, jobs are available only for the emerging technologies. And Mohansh Technologies target is don't waste your time, don't waste your money also. With the less price, good technology, in the good manner, good way, we will provide. And we will be having the interviews of something like interview support, mock-up interviews, and we will be having a resume preparation, everyday practical scenarios, all these things I will show. And come to Naukri, you search for Python jobs here. Just imagine you search for Python jobs here. My God, 60,785 openings are there. Still, once you learn Python, this much demand for the Python, which is already available. When you go for the LinkedIn, just to search for jobs in Python, jobs category, search for Python. Just to search for Python, only search for Python. Only search for Python. You will be finding huge number of jobs. You will be finding huge number of jobs. See this huge number of jobs. When you go for the one more thing called found it. Yeah, Naukri already shown. Found it. Now I go with the found it. Found it. Yes, I will open found it here. Yes, in found it, just to search for Python. Just to search for Python. Just to search for Python. Okay, click on the search button. You will be seeing a huge number of openings here also. 19,098, 19,000, 1 lakh 90. Super, super. This number of job openings which are going to be available. Okay, so this is what actually I want to say for you guys. Okay, we are already uploading a lot of free videos in the YouTube channel. Just learn and do the emerging technologies, hit the job. That's all. Thanks for listening the session and like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Still, so far, people are actually watching the videos in our YouTube dashboard. 98% non-subscribers are there. 98% non-subscribers views. Only 2% subscribers. 98% people are actually not subscribed so far. So still now, but we have all the valuable content. That's just a 2-second time. You just subscribe and click on the like button and give a comment. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for attending the session. Bye bye. See you in the next video. We will go with the different concept, different kind of scenario. Bye for now.